I am Dr. W.P. Gulnule from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the effective atomic number of the metal nitrosin. As we know, metal nitrosins are the compound which contain nitric oxide as the ligand and form the coordinate bond with the metal and forming the metal carbonyl and metal nitrosin. So in case of metal nitrosin, NO is the ligand, and in this effective atomic number in different metal carbonyl we have to calculate. And it is observed that most of the metal nitrosin contains the obey the EAN rule. And as we know, what is metal EAN? It is the total number of electrons associated with the metal in the metal nitrosin, including the electron donated by the ligands. So it can be calculated by using the formula. And so how to calculate and what is the formula and different examples of the calculation of effective atomic number in case of metal nitrosin we are discussing in today's part. So today's topic is metal nitrosin, and in this part number 2 we are discussing today the calculation of the effective atomic number in different examples. So what is effective atomic number and the examples of metal nitrosin where we can calculate EAN, and it is observed that most of the metal nitrosin obey the EAN rule. And as we know, in some examples are there of metal nitrosin in which the ligand is a NO, or NO plus or NO minus. So in this case it is shown here that EAN is the here is shown the formula to calculate the value of EAN, and it is shown that metal nitrosin obey the EAN rule. Following some examples we are discussing in which the NO has been assumed to be the NO plus, and hence it acts as a 2 electron donor. So when nitrosin is a NO plus, then it acts as a 2 electron donor and the metal is in a negative oxidation state. So this is an important part. Some of the metal nitrosin obey the EAN rule, and also we are discussing some example in which NO act as assumed to be a NO plus, and it acts as a 2 electron donor, and in this metal nitrosin metal is in a negative oxidation state. So we are taking some example and how to calculate EAN. So formula is here, EAN equals to Z minus N plus X plus Y. So here this is the formula to calculate the EAN in metal nitrosin, where Z is the atomic number of metal, N is the charge present on the metal, X is the total electron donated by NO, NO plus or NO minus. So what is now? N is the charge present on the metal and X is the total number of electrons donated by NO, NO plus or NO minus, that is nitrogen group. Y is the total number of electron donated by other ligand. If other ligands are present in the nitrosin, then that is the Y electron donated by the other ligand. So here we are taking now some example how to calculate EAN. We know the formula. So in case of this CO cobalt, CO3 NO plus, so one NO plus is there and other ligands are CO carbonyl. So charge present on the metal, as we know in this case here is a 0 oxidation charge on the complex, here is a 0 oxidation here oxidation number, so here is the 0 charge, and therefore this NO have plus 1, therefore cobalt have minus 1 charge. So here charge on the metal is CO minus 1, so EN equals to minus 1. And now formula to calculate is EN equals to Z minus N plus X plus Y. So in this case now Z is the atomic number of cobalt is 27, minus N is the number of electron, N equals to minus 1, charge present on the cobalt minus 1 shown here, plus X is the electron donated by the NO plus, so there is a 2 electron and 1 is the NO, so NO is 1, therefore 2 into 1 and 2 into 3, other ligands are 3, so what is CO, so 2 into 3, so addition of all this we get 36. So this is the 36 is the atomic number of next inert gas krypton. Therefore we can say that here EAN rule is obey. So 36 is the inert gas configuration of next inert gas, that is the krypton, and atomic number of krypton is 36, and EAN value is also 36. So we can say that EAN, this metal carbonyl, in this case EAN rule is obey. So this metal nitrosyl obey the EAN rule. So this is the one example, very simple procedure to calculate the EAN value of the metal nitrosyl. Second example is given here, and second example is FeCO2 NO plus 2. Here 2 NO, other ligands also 2. So in this case now see again here the charge on the complex is 0. So here NO plus are 2. 2 NO plus are there. So 2 plus, so Fe should have minus 2. Plus and minus charges are equal in the complex. So here charge present on the metal is Fe is a metal having minus 2, because NO plus 2 are there. So 1 plus 1 2 plus, so 2 minus is here. Fe of minus 2, so En equals to minus 2. This is the formula to calculate En, equals to J minus N plus X into Y. Now atomic number of Fe is 26, minus 2 charge is there, so minus in bracket minus 2. X is the 2 are there, nitrosyls are 2, so 2 into 2. Carbonyl CO groups are, other ligands are CO, 2 into 2. So addition of all this, the value is coming, EAN is again now 36, and it is the atomic number of next inert gas, krypton, and therefore this metal carbonyl obey the EAN rule. So this metal carbonyl also obey EAN rule. And third example is now FeNO plus, see the example, FeNO plus 2 and PR3 2, triphosphine. So here is the other ligand. So again now this is the complex. Now in this case 2 plus are there and totally 0. So again Fe have minus 2 charge. So here charge present on the metal Fe is Fe minus 2. So Fe have minus 2 charge, and therefore En equals to, therefore we can say that En equals to minus 2. Therefore EAN equals to formula, this is the formula, Z minus N plus X into X plus Y. So atomic number of Fe is 26 here, minus 2 is the charge, so minus 2, plus nitrosyls are 2, these are the 2, 2 into 2, other ligands are 2, so 2 are there, 2 into 2. So this is the substitution of values, and now we obtain again, now in this case atomic this En value is 36, again it is 36 and is a atomic number of krypton. Therefore again we can say that this third number, metal carbonyl, metal nitrosyl, also obey the En rule, because the En value is 36. And as we know what is En, it is the total number of electron associated with the metal in the metal nitrosyl, including the electron donated by the ligands. So this is the third example. Fourth example is now here metal nitrosyl is MnCO1 NO plus 3, NO plus are 3, other ligand is 1, and therefore again now here NO plus are 3, so 3 plus are there, so 3 minus is there on the Mn. Charge on the metal is, charge on the metal in this case Mn minus 3, manganese is the metal having minus 3 charge on the metal, therefore En is equals to minus 3. So the formula to calculate it, En equals to Z minus N plus X plus Y. This is the formula. Atomic number of Mn is 25, so Z is 25, minus 3 is there, so in bracket minus 3, 2 into 3, because nitrosyls are 3, so 2 into 3, plus 2 into 1, 1 is the other ligand. After again now adding all these value, we obtain the value 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Therefore we can say that this metal nitrosyl also obey the EAN rule. So this is the fourth example. We shows this metal nitrosyl also obey the EAN rule. Next number 5 example is CONO plus CN5 3 minus. So CNO here cobalt, NO plus 1, CN5 and 3 minus. In this example, NO is assumed as a negative NO. So it acts as a 2 electron donor. Now in this example, NO is assumed to be a negative NO, so it acts as a 2 electron donor. So in this way it is shown. So therefore cobalt, and this NO assumed to be a, now we are taking some example where NO is act as a NO minus, negative. So it NO minus. So CN5, 3 minus is the charge on the complex or metal. This is the total charge. So charge on metal is cobalt. There is a charge on cobalt. So here is 3 plus charge of the cobalt. Cobalt have 3 plus charge, and here is the cobalt. This cobalt have 3 plus charge in this metal nitrosyl, and therefore value of En equals to plus 3, and En equal to Z minus N. Formula is Z minus N plus X plus Y, and here atomic number of cobalt is 27 minus. So here is a metal have the charge 3 plus, because this is the 3 minus. So 3 plus is here, total charge. So here is the charge present on the metal is a 3 plus. So here is a here plus 3, and 2 into 1, 1 is a NO, and 2 into 5, 5 are the Cl. And after adding all these value, again now we obtain the value 36, and it is the atomic number of krypton. Therefore EAN rule is obeyed by this metal carbonate. So this is the example 5 in which NO is assumed to be a negative NO. So here next example is CONO minus NH3 2 plus. So here cobalt NO minus NH3 and 2 plus charge is there. Ammonia is neutral, and in this case there are the metal nitrosyl where cobalt have charge on the cobalt is a cobalt 3 plus, because NO have negative. So En equals to plus 3. So in this case value of En is a plus 3, and in this case En value can be calculated, and formula is given here. EAN equals to Z minus N plus X plus Y. Atomic number of cobalt is 27, N value is plus 3, and 2 into 1, 1 is a NO, and 2 into 5, 5 are the ammonia. So again addition, it gives the value 36. It is the atomic number of next inert gas krypton, and therefore this metal nitrosyl also obey EAN rule. So these are the examples, and next is the number 7. In this case the metal nitrosyl FeNO plus 3 NO minus, NO plus 3 are there, and NO minus is 1. So in this case charge on the metal is minus 2. Here charge on the metal is, so charge on the metal is Fe is a metal having minus 2, therefore N equals to minus 2, because here these are the 3 plus minus 1, so plus 2, so minus 2 on the Fe, and En formula is a Z minus N plus X. No other ligands are there here. In this case only all the NO, no other ligand, therefore X, there is no Y. So atomic number of Fe is 26 minus 2 plus 4 into 2. Total 4 are there, 3 and 1, 4. Therefore again atomic number is here En value is 36. It is the atomic number of krypton, and therefore we can say that this metal nitrosyl also obey the En rule. So these are the different examples where we are finding. Some more examples are there. Number 8. Now in this metal nitrosyl, NO is considered as a neutral NO, so it acts as a 3 electron donor. So this is the example MnNO3CO. Other ligand is 1. But in this case, in this metal nitrosyl, NO is considered as a neutral NO. Therefore, this when it is a neutral, then it donates the 3 electrons. When it is having positive or negative, then they donate 2 electrons. So see the here in this example, charge of the metal is Mn is 0 because NO is neutral. This is neutral already, but this is also neutral. So Mn have 0 oxidation charge. So in this metal nitrogen, charge on the metal is Mn 0. Therefore N equals to 0. And the formula to calculate En is equals to Z minus N plus X plus Y. Atom number of the Mn is 25. Z minus G, here in bracket 0, N value is 0. 2 into 3 and 2 into 1. One other ligands are there. So again after calculation, here is 25. This is 6, 31 and 2. Here these are the 9. So 25 plus 9, 36 or 2 is coming 6. What is here? This is the 2 into 6 and this is 2 into 1. So total is coming 36 again. So in this case also EAN rule is obey. So value of EAN is 36. Therefore this also obey the, and now here again I am repeating here, atom number Z is 25. So En is 0, X is 3. 3 are the NO which is neutral, and each NO donate 3 electron. Therefore 3 into 3. And CO is 2 into 1. So this 2, 9 on to 11, and this is 25. So atom number is 25 and 2, 27 and 9, 36. So here value is coming 25 atom number, and this 9, 25 and 9, 34, and this 2, 36. So again En value is 36, is the atomic number of next inert gas, krypton. Therefore again we can say that this metal nitrogen obey the En rule. And one more example is there. What is CO, cobalt metal nitrogen? NO is there and CO are 3. Other ligands are 3. Charge on the metal is again now cobalt 0. Therefore En equals to 0. En can be calculated by using this formula, Z minus N plus X plus Y. Atom number of Z is 27. Cobalt atom number is 27 minus 0 plus 1 is the NO. So 3 into 1 and 2 into 3. 3 are there and 2 electron, 2 into 3. So again after addition we get 36 is the atom number of krypton. Therefore again we can say that this metal nitrogen also obey the En rule. So these are the different examples, and we have seen how to calculate the En value in the metal nitrogen, and in this case we have taken 3 different examples where in the first NO is act as a 2 electron donor, NO plus. In second NO act as a negatively charged NO minus, and in the third NO is act as a neutral. So in this case we have taken different example of the calculation of EAN value. So in today's part we have seen what is EAN concept, what is the EAN of the metal nitrogen, and different examples of calculation of EAN value. And it is observed that most of the EAN value of the metal nitrogen are, they obey the EAN rule. So we have seen the atomic number, EAN value is the atomic number of the next inert gas. So we have taken different example of the metal nitrogen in which NO is a positive, in the second NO is act as a negatively charged, and in third case NO is act as a neutral, in which the nitrogen donate 3 electrons. When nitrogen is in a neutral state, then they donate 3 electrons, as we have seen the structure, and when it is positive or negative, then it donates the 2 electrons. So NO when in charge, having the charge, then they donate 2 electrons, and when it is neutral they donate NO nitrogen donate 3 electrons. So we have taken different example, and simple formula is there, calculation of the EN value. So we have taken the different examples of calculation of EN in a metal nitrogen.